Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. In tonight's nightcap, we'll do a repair on Richard's Sentinel steam wagon. The boiler water feed heater had developed a little bit of a leak inside, so we'll take that apart, put a pressure test on it, and then resolve the leak and put it all back together. The work's all done in here. It was interesting. I used basically every tool I've got to do the repair. I do a little bit of plasma cutting. This time I cut out a Land Rover and make a weather vane with a Land Rover theme for a viewer asked us for a Land Rover theme. I'm doing one or two different types of animals, dogs, cars. There's all kinds of strange requests have been coming in anyway. We'll show a little bit of that. In part 2 I modify some circle cutters for a plasma torch, and I use a tool that's been sent to me by a good friend of mine, Bruce Witham, called a Tool Line 3. It's such a simple tool. I wish I'd thought of it. It's basically a depth stop for a lathe chuck. Anyway, I'll show you that, show you how it works. I'm sure you'll find that very interesting. This Stewart steam engine's coming on quite well. I've had it run on compressed air. There is a couple of videos on the Patrion channel which are a little bit ahead of what you normally see on normal YouTube. Saying that, I'm going to put another video up on Monday. Have a look at that. I'm sure you'll find that interesting as well. The Patrion channel is doing quite well. There's a link in the description box. Click on the link, have a look. If you want to support me, by all means support us. If you're doing it, it makes no difference. My nightcaps are never going to change. The format of my YouTube will basically remain exactly the same. This is a boiler feed water heater. What happens is the steam engine exhaust goes through here. Inside, as you'll see later, there's a copper coil. The boiler feed water goes through there and it preheats the water, so you're not putting cold water into the boiler. We've got a problem. It's got a leak somewhere inside the coil or somewhere inside the box, so I'm going to take it apart and put a pressure test on, see what we can find. I should let you stick your finger into it. You should do, yeah. Oh, hold on. Got it? Just. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No. Everything's strong, you see. Well done, John, you got it. Yep.
usually spanner, that's a good spanner. It's quite a good spanner, you know.
Not bad.
It's alright.
And I had a big spanner here and somebody seen it struggling along with something in the centres.
Right. Well, drop. Right, mate. I'll add this while you dog it in place.
Right, when you pull and do
Yes.
uh,
Do this one first, yes.
not one first, right. You want to try having it?
Oh, well, that's a good idea.
No, I'm not walking.
No, well.
Just have the fucking thing. Ready?
Ready?
Let's tighten it.
Good. Take it off and turn it on. Sort the boot.
Ready?
Ready?
Copy.
Happy with that. Yeah.
Right, test it again.
Yes.
Right.
Right. Whoa. Hello, John, where you go, mate? Well, he never.
500.
Spot on.
Looks good to me, mate.
Yeah. It certainly does.
ball bearing. If that stops on there, want a bit of wind now. Sorry, isn't it?
Spot on.
There's black paint on. Soon squeaks. Puts a bit of grease on it. There you go. Definitely a Land Rover.